Good morning, sir. Welcome to our office.
Good morning, is Mr. Adil today?
Yes, sir. He is in his room. He arrived just a few minutes ago.
That is good to hear. Could you please tell him that Putra is here? We have an appointment at 10 a.m.
Certainly, Mr. Putra. And may I know the company you are from?
I am from Kotabe Group.
Thank you, Mr. Putra. Please wait. Take a seat for a moment. I will check if he is ready to see you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Mr. Putra, thank you for waiting. Mr. Adit is waiting for you in his room. Please follow me in this way.
Thank you very much.